that they have. So it's a difficult...
Growing up in Lagos was difficult for Rashidi Williams.
Sexual orientation or gender identity for myself. But I knew I was gay since I was 8. But I never accepted I was gay until I was 21. I can't remember the real age, but I knew I did everything possible to get up that sexual orientation.
He and others like him could now land up in jail for 14 years. Nigeria's President Goodluck Jonathan earlier this month signed into law a controversial bill banning same-sex amorous relationships, gay marriage, and membership to any gay groups. The new legislation appears to be popular. The president's office says more than 90% of Nigerians oppose same-sex marriage and that the law is in line with cultural and religious beliefs. But activists like Williams say the law is unconstitutional.
It needs to be taken into consideration that before my sexuality, my citizenship comes first. I am Nigerian, and I also deserve, every right that I've been accorded to every Nigerian under the Constitution. So I feel outraged. I feel scared for my country. I feel scared for myself. I feel scared for members of my community because of the content of the bill. The provisions of the bill are escalating. They are, draconian. They are anti-human rights, that seeks to or have the potential to increase violence towards people either on the basis of their imputed or real sexual orientation.
The initial proposal surfaced in 2006, and now that it finally has the president's signature, many fear it will open up the floodgates for state-sanctioned violence and cruelty towards members of the LGBTI community. Amnesty International calls the law discriminatory and warns of catastrophic consequences for Nigeria's lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender community. Consequences Williams is all too familiar with.
I've been beaten on the street. I've been hauled at on the street. I've been slapped sometimes by, neighborhood gangs on the street. So it's a pretty frustrating experience.
Many activists say with elections coming in 2015, lawmakers only want to score cheap political points, toying with the lives of many Nigerians. Nigeria is not the only African country going down this path. Uganda and Malawi are tightening up laws against homosexuality, even as countries in Europe, as well as the United States of America, are making moves to offer same-sex couples the same legal rights enjoyed by heterosexuals. Aduria Chumba, Lagos.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com